Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming with version 17.1 on Runbot, and I would like to show an interesting feature which Odoo has launched, like time of type visibility on employee dashboard. So here if I go to employee and open their dashboard like Michelle admin, over here I can see paid time off, compensatory days, and training time off. All right, this three time off. Now if I go to time off settings and I say time of types and I say extra legal time off, which is shown dashboard, and I want to create an allocation first. So if I create an allocation for extra, and then by department or by employee, and I would like to measure admin for 10 days and I validate it. Okay. So let's say I have allocated extra time off, and now I am going into employees profile, Michelle admin, and once I go here, I will see the extra legal time off. Okay, so this is how you can enable the employee to see this time of types based on their allocation, and the configuration is available in time of types. Over here a small feature like show on dashboard is available for all the employee. Hope this feature helps to recreate the employee dashboard and their leave dashboard especially. Thank you very much.